Very good. Now, this is another way that somebody could take your money from you and not give you an emerald. These are what are called doublets. And they could actually be made out of emerald, white, clear, or low quality Colombian emerald. And what they do is they cut the stone in half. And on one side, and then they put a green epoxy here and glue it back together. When they glue it back together, then when you see the stone face up, like this, then we see it looks like an emerald. The scary part about this is that if it's an emerald, it will have natural inclusions. And the actual material, if we looked at it with a loupe, would tell me, the inclusions would tell me that it's a natural emerald. But if I look closer, what I'll see is bubbles, because when you glue something together and you've probably put a piece of cellophane on top of something and then try to squish the bubbles out of it, but it still leaves bubbles in there. So they have little bubbles in them, and I'll take a close-up picture of it and show it to you in a minute. The other thing is that when we look at the stone sideways, the top part will be green and the bottom part will be white. So if you only see it face up like this, then it'll look perfectly green. But if we look at it sideways, then you'll be able to see that it's two pieces and that it's split in half. And one of the upper side is green and the bottom is going to be white. Now, if this was in a ring, and what the people that try to scam you do is put this stone in a ring with gold around the edges. With the gold around the edges, now you can't see it sideways. So now you can only see it head on, and it will look green. And they'll probably put it in a ring of bronze or something like that. And it'll be yellow. And then there'll be a beautiful emerald in it. And again, the rule is the same. If it looks too good to be true, it usually is. So keep away from it. Anyway, I'll show you what this looks like sideways in a close-up, okay? And this is virtually worthless, but it may look like it's worth thousands and thousands of dollars, okay? All right.